Spit or swallow, body count matters.
We should be educated, sir, para alam natin kung paano tayo mapa-pleasure.
Of course, ang pleasure dapat hindi lang natin inaasa sa mga kalalakihan.
Spit or swallow, body count matters.
Spit. Spit is disagree, right? Spit kasi sometimes nag-add yung body count, something like that. If may face, nagkaroon tayo ng face na ganyan. And for me, it's kinda normal. It's your choice naman kung madami ka ng nakaano or what.
Spit, yeah, spit. I don't really mind yung body count as long as you're very wary of who you connect your body with, ganon. Kasi of course, like there's other people that have a lot of like mataas yung body count nila, but that's completely fine if you're healthy, if you're maintaining like yung mga safe sex practices. I'm totally fine with that.
Swallow. Siyempre, gusto naman natin ng guy or ng female na, sa akin lang, personal opinion ko, na hindi siya kung sino-sino lang yung nakagalaw or syempre gusto natin na serious relationship pa rin.
Spit or swallow, pull-out method is enough.
Spit, yeah, spit. I don't think pull-out method is enough, especially here in the Philippines. Like, you have to be very careful talaga since, there are some things that, we can't allow to happen. So, I think pull-out method is not enough talaga. You have to be more cautious of a lot of things that you'd like to do when it comes to, sex, ganyan.
Spit. Kailangan responsible tayo. And mahirap kasing mag-trust ka sa pull out since hindi ka naman 100% sure kung safe 'yon.
Pull-out method, spit. Because, of course, depends naman kung gusto mo na mabuntis o jaundice or what. Pero I think pull-out method is still not kind of safety since we have condoms and other contraceptives. So, I think spit pa rin.
Spit or swallow, sex toys should be normalized.
Swallow! Of course! Ang pleasure dapat hindi lang natin inaasa sa mga kalalakihan. Di ba? Bilang babae, di ba? Kailangan meron tayong sense of security sa sarili natin na kaya natin pasayahin yung mga sarili natin.
Self-touch.
Yes.
Swallow, yes. I think, sex toys makes things more interesting. Yeah. And I feel like when you try to make things more spicier in bed through sex toys, that's a very fun thing for you to do with your partner naman. Yeah. Swallow.
Yes, swallow. Okay, so ang sex toys naman is for self pleasure. So sex toys is very normal to everyone. So swallow na swallow.
Spit or swallow, people should be educated about sex toys.
Yes, of course, swallow, because I think some people may be new to the concept of sex toys. Some things, sometimes, sex toys are very scary for them, especially when it's their first time. It's very intimidating. Like it was very intimidating during my first time. But I think once you try to practice with one and you try to explore what are the other things that you can do in bed that don't only happen between just with you and your partner, but you also try to use other things. I think that's what could make sex more fun for the both of you and more explorative. Yeah.
Yes, swallow. You should be educated. Actually, kahit ako mga 26 years old na ako, pero some of the sex toys, hindi ko pa naman alam yung ibang paano gamitin. So, we should be educated, sir, para alam natin kung paano tayo mapa-pleasure in the right way. Yeah.
Of course, swallow yan. Alam mo, minsan maraming nabubuntis ng hindi nila kaya yung responsibility or yung teenage pregnancy just because hindi nila alam na merong mga alternatives such as sex toys para, ayun nga, i-pleasurize yung sarili nila. And I think it's about time para itong topic na to ay hindi na maging taboo.
Spit or swallow, pleasure should never compromise safety.
We should be safe, so it's kinda a spit for me.
Yeah, swallow. Kailangan kapag ginagawa mo yung act na yon itself, yung kapag nakikipag-sex ka, hindi lang puro sarap yung iniisip mo. Dapat at the end of the day, alam mo sa sarili mo na, okay, safe ako, ligtas ako sa sakit, ginawa ko yung mga protection na maaari kong gawin para safe ako dun sa mga possible na sakit.
Yes. For me, I feel like a lot of women are very much parang as long as the other person is, pleasured na sila or, parang kontento na sila with that. But I think that pleasure should always be both ways. And if you're comfortable, that's the most important thing. You're pleasured, but you're also comfortable. If you're not comfortable, I feel like hindi siya tama. Parang there are other ways that we can explore or do sex that make us feel safe as well with our partner or the person that we're doing it with. Ayun.
So is it spit or swallow?
Swallow.